Good morning, everyone. It's E here with 25K Trading. It's June 23rd, 2017. It's a beautiful Friday here. Excited for the weekend? I am. I am definitely excited for the weekend. It's been a very good week for me, although a little bit stressful yesterday, but we managed to pull through. So I just want to get started off with XBI here. XBI is going to gap down here, 0.77%. Looks like LabD is going to open up here at 683. So we have a nice little drop. Pre-market action here, bearish pre-market for XBI. I'm looking at futures right now. It looks like S&P 500 futures are negative for the day. And Nasdaq futures, SPY futures or S&P 5 futures are up 0.06%, positive for the day. Nasdaq futures down 0.05%. The dollar index is down 0.17%. Fading a little bit since yesterday's top. UJ is somewhat still sideways. The reason why the dollar faded is because we have a huge pop in the euro and the pound as well. Gold here is popping as well, 1257.20. So nice head and shoulders pattern playing outwards on gold. Any dip here in miners today, I will buy. GXJ is gapping up here. It looks like to be 1.16%. JNUG opening up 3.95% at 1973. So we'll keep our eye out on a long JNUG, long miners, and short biotech today. It's 9:22 right now with 8 minutes left. Sorry guys, I woke up a little late today. I was just laying in bed for some reason. But SPY, we're looking at QQQ, SPY, and we're doing the same thing we did yesterday. Short bio, long gold, possibly looking for something with the VIX and SPY as well. US oil, flat. It's actually broken this uptrend here. The last few days it formed an uptrend, and so it might break the uptrend here, so just watch out for that. Let me leave this on gold right now, and I will be right back. Just remember, there's some data coming out at 9:45, and then again at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is the housing data. Services PMI come out at 9:45, but I'll be right back, guys, and good morning to all of you. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys.
What up?
I'll be right back as well. Good morning, guys. And also, I just wanted to say I accepted the job in Denver with IBM. So I will be broadcasting for the first half of the week in Denver, Colorado next week. So Monday, I should be in Denver, and I will be broadcasting there.
Jesus.
Yep. And I'm gonna try out a new style. So as we move forward, I might be occupied during the day now, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna stop. Stop. Thank you very much. It doesn't mean I'm gonna stop trading. It does not mean I'm gonna stop trading. So I will still be trading. You know what? I'm actually gonna be trading at night using features. So that might actually benefit everyone more than, uh, you know, Again, a lot of you guys can't trade during the day because I notice you that most of you guys have full-time jobs and you can't day trade. I'm gonna tell you this right now. You can't day trade when you're having a full-time job. You can't play reports. Essentially, you just have to wait for the prices to go to extreme highs or extreme lows. For example, a Lab D could have made a great swing for the last few days. Um, but essentially, I'll just have my clones up, and I'll put my profit loss ratios on the chart like this, something like this. So I'll say if the price comes up here, maybe this will make a great trade right here that looks like something like this. And if the price gets there, then go ahead and enter the trade, and then insert your limits. It's like that. Essentially, I'm giving price targets, but not giving the price targets, but updating it every daily and more swings too. That's what I used to do when I worked, just because it's a little easier. And when you're swing trading, you gotta take profits a lot faster too as well. That's the thing, just as fast as your day trading. Uh, I will be doing features live at night for sure, definitely. Thank you guys. Is that the only thing is I'm making good money trading. It's just that it's burning me out. That's it. Doing all this is just I, my little feeble pea brain, I don't think can handle the pressure of doing this. I'm looking at this not just for 1 year. I'm looking for this for 20 years, right? I don't think I can day trade like this for 20 years. I'll get cancer, and I swear I'll die from this shit. So, um, like seriously, the stress is real. I,
Possible.
sl- I don't go to sleep till like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. I only go, and then my sleep schedule is messed up and all that stuff. But I'll definitely be trading futures now at night. And I think futures, if I'm trading futures at night, I think I can scalp maybe like $100, $200 a day. Again, will be my variable income. My fixed income would be my full time job, my consulting gig. Um, so that's what we're trying to do.
So you're gonna give us insider information on IBM?
No. I'm working at an investment bank. They haven't even told me where I'm going to be stationed at because I still need to sign NDAs and all that stuff too.
Gotcha.
Market's going to open up here in 2 minutes here. Yeah, it's not about the money. It's just about my personal state. So I don't know. I'm gonna Nicolay. A lot of time has changed last time I traded futures. So I'm gonna look for something. Um, I'm gonna look online and see which one's the best. I've heard Frank talk about Tasty Trade on that stuff, $5 trades, etc., 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 etc. So I might do something like that. But let's see what happens when everything opens up here. We should see a gap up in JNUG and a gap up in Lab D here.
So are you gonna have the chat room open
Yep,
during the day then?
yep. I'll definitely be trading futures tonight. That'll be very enjoyable to do. Because honestly, S&P X futures don't really trade that crazy at night, and it's easy to lose or lose money by the algorithms. But if you can recognize exact, you can just play. If you play by the book 101s, the technicals are there for the scalps during night. It's just the volatility isn't there. So if you're trying to make like five, how I don't know how many points, the amount of money you make at night is way less, just because the volatility isn't there. And I'm probably not gonna do forex. I'm gonna stick with like e-minis.
Yeah, I wouldn't do forex, dude. You'd lose your mind in forex. Gold made its $10 move. Are you shorting this?
Absolutely not.
Um,
LabD made a huge gap up and it's a huge gap it down right now.
Yeah, people are taking profits on that.
Would you look at that? Look at my JNUG position. Almost back in the money.
Yeah. Going to quick scalp JDST. My shit running.
Well, Labby just got slammed here.
Yeah, did you guys just see XBI's open there? That's crazy.
I'm gonna short this. Remember my 79.25?
True, you're jumping in right now?
Right now.
Oh man, it's tempting.
There we go. 648. I'm in. No, I'm gonna get rid of this long thing. Remember my 79.25 resistance I have? I'm in.
Come on. Fill that fucking gap down. There it is.
I'm in Lab D. Remember that 79.25 resistance I've been bitching about all day yesterday? Oh, I didn't expect this to happen this fast. There it is. I don't usually jump into a trade like that, but I am based on that resistance.
That's all I'm gonna get out of JNUG.
See what happens here.
Hey, do you have your screen up on GDXJ? Like in your
Uh,
background?
yeah. Here you go. You can want to. It hit resistance perfectly. 3404.
Did it? Yeah, okay. I'm selling this then. 66 cents on
I
it.
mean,
Well,
it hit it when it opened. It just hit support. It's bouncing between the resistance and support. It literally made the best candle ever right between the two.
yeah, screw it. I'm getting out of it. It's like, what,
I think this can go higher, man.
56 cents? No, no, no,
Yeah.
no, no. I'm playing JDST.
Oh, you're
Yeah,
playing JSD.
yeah.
Okay.
54 cents or
Oh yeah,
something
yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Whatever,
Okay.
fuck it. How do I buy JNUG though?
I
I
shorted
don't know.
biotech again via long lab D. 79.25. If you guys were here during the broadcast, I was looking for that to be hard support, hard resistance, not just like any normal kind of line. A big,
I'm
big
glad I
line.
got out of there.
Is it
That
popping
could have
back
been
up?
bad. Oh yeah. Dude, it looks like it's gonna form a hammer on the 5.
Lab D got melted out the gate. Holy shit.
LA, what is it? LABD?
Yep.
I think I lost what, like 25 cents yesterday on that. Fuck that stock, dude.
It came back, bro.
Oh, I know it did, but like dude, I'm not comfortable with fucking what do you call it? Bio. Anything biotech, I've always gotten killed. But you guys were trading it, and I'm like, tempting.
Let's look at Qs.
Anything.
Qs gap down here. Qs are down 0.07%. SPX, SPY flat. IWM up flat. Oh, by the way, Beth, Bath, Bed, and Body, down
What are
11%. Another retailer getting slayed here, guys.
Bed Bath and Beyond?
Yep. Wait, what would I say?
Bad, like I don't even know what you're saying.
I don't shop there. I don't know the fucking store. I'm sorry.
No one shops there. Come on, dude.
Bath, Bad, and Body.
Yeah, whatever you said.
I don't fucking shop there, guy. I don't know. I just buy candles. That's all I do. Don't shoot me. We all know what we're talking about. Retail's dead.
Except for Calabas. Or what? Cabela's. They're gonna live forever.
Guns.
And Bass Pro Shop, man. I think they bought each other out or something like that. Whatever the hell it was.
Yep. Looks like this little trade is working very well right now.
Are you long on Lab D?
Yep. Look at that shit. Die.
Killing biotech today?
We are.
Yes, sir. That's what I like to hear, E.
You guys have fun with that. J-Nug's coming back down. It's gonna test that low of the day. All 10 minutes of it. I'm glad I didn't buy J-Nug there. But I could have made so much more monies on my JDST. J-Nug volatile. GXJ chart.
I'm almost to my $500 goal already. This is sweet. All it took
Probably
was
take your
6 minutes.
profits.
It just took me 6 minutes to get here. I don't know, am I that good?
Yeah, 6 minutes and then get out, man. Remember what happened the other day.
I think I might milk this a little bit. Oh, I'm at 500 for the day already. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I'll take profit 78.20 here.
It's hitting that 666. I need to stop watching that. Said I'm gonna buy it, and I don't want to buy it.
666.
But I also said I wouldn't trade miners anymore.
Did it hit yesterday's low?
Not yet. I'm waiting for that.
Dude, I think I'm gonna short Caterpillar, man.
This shit looks like it wants to bounce. I might exit out here. Or I might want it looks like it might collapse. Just a little bit more, guys. My finger's on the trigger for the exit. Are the Qs melting here as well? Yep, Qs SPY melting. Qs and SPY melting. Qs were unable to break out yesterday. Come on, one more knife here, baby. One more knife down for. I'll close. No one wants to buy you right now. Come on, one more knife down. One more knife down. Got this, buddy. almost 15 minutes. That's why I want to get rid of this. The 15-minute. There he goes. 6.7. I'm out. I'm out.
Nice trade.
6.7. I'm out. Up 726. That's it. I'm done. Out. Thank you.
Yeah, solid trade there, dude.
Thank you. That was a clutch trade, not gonna lie. Excuse me. Again, the 79.25 was my hard resistance. So it's like no fucking way it's getting above this. And if it could present me today, I saw the gap down today, and there's no way I'm not shorting that. So that's my thought process. I was also looking at QQQ and SPY through the side of my eye here. So I saw that SPY and Qs are looking like complete shit. Oh, data coming out in 1 minute. Data coming in 1 minute. Data coming in 1 minute. Data coming. Now I'm looking for JNUG for a trade because it's slinking down.
What is it, a PMI report?
Yep.
Yeah, you got out right at
Services.
the right time.
That's why I didn't want to
shorting
hold to 945. Did not want to do that.
Yeah, I'm shorting Caterpillar at 102.76.
Services PMI misses across the board. Manufacturing PMI miss 52.1 versus 53 expected. Services PMI miss 53 versus 53.7 expected. Both manufacturing and services PMI misses. We have home sales in 15 minutes, guys. Look at the pop on gold. The pop on gold is from the dollar dropping here.
Yeah, $1 down.
Are you? Labby just fucking melted. Back down.
Yeah, I know.
They're selling that. Dollar's selling off here. Dollar's going down. UJ's coming down here. The FOMC shit was complete garbage. I think we're gonna go reverse all that garbage. I'm gonna go ahead long J Nugs maybe right here. I don't even care that it's not bothering to gap down. I think that you're in Costa Rica. I cannot help you. I cannot help you with Costa Rica. I'm sorry. I don't know if your laws are different than ours.
Buys at a double bottom on that 15-minute chart.
I think I might buy some gold miners here because there's gonna be a double punch at 10 o'clock with the home builders.
They did just make a new low today. I think you're going to be able to get it like 1930 here soon.
Huge profit taking, guys. I see XPI breaking down even farther. XPI chilling on support. This should be a big support for XPI here. If this knifes through this big support, I might have to go long LabU. I'm not gonna lie. But essentially, I saw this was a hard support. I couldn't believe my eyes when that shit gapped up just like that within the first 5 seconds of trading. Holy shit, the bulls must be really wanting, something. But look at here, crashing down here. Oh, Lab D probably going higher from here, guys. I still have my puts, which are still complete garbage. So I might buy some more puts.
Looks like views are going to get a bounce here.
Yeah, I would. I want to get more people in this room. If you guys can retweet that last message I posted, that'd be awesome. 673 right now. Again, I don't care. I got out 670. I don't care if this goes another 10% down. I made my $700. That's more than enough for me. Since this was kicking my ass, I take my profits fast on this one. Well, it wasn't really kicking my ass. It was just giving me a tough time for the last few days. I'm finally. I had, I think, a good trade here.
Markets are getting a bounce across the board.
Yep, I think it's gonna bounce here, guys. Any lower than that, I was gonna go long lab you there. Guys, we have housing data coming out in 11. Housing data coming out in 11. Dollar's fading. Housing data can strike down the dollar as well. Remember, this is profit taking day for sure for biotech. So if we go down another 1% here, I'm not gonna be surprised.
Did you long JNUG?
No,
no?
not yet. I was just busy talking. I should have though. I was looking at 1946, I think, at the time I was talking. I didn't pull the trigger there. I'm just gonna watch that for a little bit.
Wait.
It
I
just
don't even know if I'll buy it today. Gold's
Thanks,
already at that
guys.
$10 move. I think gold's tested twice on that $10 move. Shit, I might get killed on this caterpillar. I don't want to fill the gap for the other. What time's that housing report?
10 o'clock, 9 minutes.
10?
Yep. And this one's I think existing home sales is a better indicator than existing house sales is better than I'm sorry, new home sales is better than existing home sales. Sorry, a little slow this morning. It's because existing house sales depends on how many homes are for sale. Right, obviously, there's more demand. There's gonna be more new homes being sold. It's not like there's an unlimited supply of older homes, pre-owned homes. What do you call when the home's pre-owned? Pre-owned home, a refurbished house,
Refurbished house.
the clearance
Yeah,
aisle.
I got a refurbished house.
I got a clearance aisle. It was open box house.
Open style, great kitchen. So wait, do you have to buy a new house then? Over in
I'm
Colorado?
thinking about buying an investment property in Denver, like 200K or something like that, below 200K.
Yeah.
It's not too expensive. I'm trying to buy. If I were to do that route, I have to buy it in somewhere poor. There's no point of buying a house somewhere where it's already inflated prices. So I have to buy somewhere where it's not poor. I can't say it's just not like downtown. It has to be like where there's a gentrification going on.
Right.
There's no point of buying real estate in places that's already
Develop.
I was looking at a few houses. Looks like there's some nice condos. I have no idea what Lakewood, right? Lakewood, right, or something like that. A used house.
Not a clue. Never been to Colorado. But now you're closer to Las Vegas, right?
No, actually googled. I googled this. It was like 16 hours, something like that, or 11 hours.
Aren't you in Ohio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
so
saying
you're
Las
close to
Vegas to I was like, or Denver to Las Vegas is 11 hours drive. I already fucking googled that shit.
Jesus.
Probably flights are like $50 round trip. Not that far away.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I know Denver housing market is really high, and I feel like chasing a trade. But if they're gonna hike rates another 1% next year, might as well get it over. Just get one in Denver, get my foothold. And plus, even if I don't even if I don't live in Denver for long, I'll let the hippies rent it out or something. I don't know. It's just rental income. I have enough money just to throw down some down payments and just pay off the mortgage. Yep. The high attitude gives me headaches. Well, each morning I cough my lungs out, so hopefully that's not going to be a problem. 6 minutes until the home sales report's coming.
Yep. I am out of Caterpillar. I don't want to get killed on that gap. Fuck that. Okay,
XBI's trying to bounce here, guys.
one win, one loss.
Weak ass bounces, bro.
You guys is bouncing. Yep, looks like you guys is balancing. Oil's negative now. Oil's looking okay. Oil just broke down, guys. Oil's breaking down. Oh, we might have to go revisit 42 once again, guys. We have to. I might start long, and at 42, it's just gonna be a feeling if we go under 42 again. But it looks like this SPY here is not holding any strength, nor is the Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks pretty weak. Look, we're
Let
back.
it
We're back where we
flush.
just started at, Kyle, a few days ago.
Let it flush.
We have
Let it flush.
Nasdaq looking weak, man.
I should have bought
LabD's
more
looking
at
good
that
here
top.
too. LabD looks like it's breaking down hard. Woo! This is like on the opposite side of the trade. This is pure death. This is below.
Figured.
Yo, guys, it's below my support. LabD is now below my support. There's nothing holding it.
LabD's getting a pop, dude.
It's. I'm sorry. XBI is below my support. It's not.
Oh,
It's not. There's no. There's. It's gonna free fall to 77.60 now. It's below
so
all
buy
my
some
supports.
LabD.
Yeah, you guys thinking of jumping back in Lab D?
Let's see if it bounces. Well, I lied. 78.13. There might be some support here. There might be a little bit of support here, guys. I lied. There might be some support here. Home data comes out in 4 minutes, and I think everything's gonna wait on 4 minutes for doing more moves.
Right.
I think I might
You
buy
might be able
JNUG
to
here.
get 10 cents.
I might just go ahead and buy JNUG here. It's flagging on the 5 minute, and I can just I have good room to throw the dice here. I got a low buffer, you know. So I'm gonna enter JNUG here.
What did you get in at 44?
No, let me. Oh, someone else just heard my words. 1943. Let's see if it wants. Oh, look at that. How kind of you. 1942. I long JNUG just now. Oh no, I got this at 43. I thought I executed at 42. Preemptive long.
Shit.
On support.
Might want to go LabU here. 15-minute reversal candle. On LabD.
I'm looking for the Holmes report to give gold a little boost. Just like those PMIs. Just a little bit. I don't need that much. Guys, big bounce. Remember I corrected myself? There was support there. Big support. Big support on LabU. Oil just popped real hard. Was that leak maybe? I don't know. That could be an entry for Lab D, by the way. You guys believe in it? I think I'll enter Lab D if it goes back to 79.11. 79.11. 78.63. Let's see. 42
Yeah,
seconds.
let's see if it gets back up to that 79.25 area.
Again, I entered this before the oil report or the report's coming out. I'm looking for a little pop here and back in gold. I don't think gold is going to be like this.
Still think you're gonna get JNUG at like
Oh,
1930.
motherfucker's coming down. It's coming down. Don't come down. Don't come down. 13 seconds here. Big bounce by LabU. Big bounce in XBI. Hitting resistance. How's your report out?
SPY's bouncing back to.
You get SPY. IWM just fucking ripped.
Your home sales beat 610 versus expected 597,000. 610,000 versus 597,000. Home sales May 2.9%, miss. Expected 5.4%.
IWM just got a hammer on the hourly. Huge hammer.
There it is.
Russell's
Getting
fucking
denied.
holding up, dude.
Getting denied a resistance, guys. Getting denied a resistance. 78.63. Getting denied. If it goes above here, I'm looking to another short 79.10. 79.12. Let me know if XBI goes to 79.12. Right now, I gotta go back to my JDA because it looks like gold's falling, and I'm gonna have to close my position here for loss. Qs
Yeah,
are,
gold triple.
yeah, Qs are pumping. A lot of volume here.
Who's gonna save the markets today?
Not biotech.
Who knows, man? You see that IWM though? On that hourly? Dude, that shit's gonna rip.
A hammer? Is there a hammer there?
Yeah. Big boy. And it just got above that 50 MA on the hourly. We'll see. Yeah, catching that small bounce there. 5 minute.
Where did you buy into JNUG?
1943. I bought it right before the report happened. I just see it chilling on support right now. Just chilling here. I think I might have to throw this one away. Call this one an L. I need gold to go. I need dollar to not go up like this. Essentially, I'm looking at a double bottom dollar here and it's freaking me out a little bit. So I might have to close this position out for a loss. There is a gap there, which is freaking me out.
Big gap.
And equities are popping as well.
Just should have stayed in that JDST.
I don't know, man. I still think this is another. I think if it's gonna go down, it has to double top out. It's forming a nice a nice bullish continuation pattern right now. I don't think
I don't know, man. I think it's gonna come down. Personally,
it's holding, it's hugging. But again, this is a hard resistance here, and the one I bought on it's a little softer.
I think Janet come down the at least 1923.
I'm just gonna wait here and see what happens. I got a little bit of time. I got a little bit of cushion too. I'm not worried. As long as I see gold coming down and JNUG not going down, that makes me happy. Like this shit right now. That's why I'm eyeballing gold. And if gold is falling and JNUG is not, I'm inclined to hold on to my JNUG. And I'm looking for a target here, 34.26. Why I'll go up there? If it goes up there, I don't know. XBI getting liquidated here. Pop and XBI. Next resistance against 79.11.
So the overall Holmes report was a miss.
It was the increase of homes was a miss, but the projection was a hit, was a beat, slight beat.
Kind of neutral then.
Yeah, kind of like a neutral report. Yeah, but the dollar still took it and ran. But the EJ took it and ran. It's coming back down here though.
Crude got a pop.
Qs are coming back down, I think.
It's at 43. It's hovering.
I really want to short bios again. Yo, look how crazy bio is, brah.
You keep making me try and look at these fucking bios, man. I hate bio.
Again, I want this shit to go up another 20 cents or so, and then I'll short it again. XBI.
Yeah, I got out of my lab D the same time you did this morning, but I only made about 180 bucks.
The 180 bucks you didn't have.
Yeah, no, I was down a little. I had to cost average yesterday, but yeah, it was a nice drop. But I don't like bio either. That shit, this just fucking grinding on me the last.
You had to double down on that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck that, dude.
Jerry, it's just because you didn't pay me $900, I could have told you how to trade biotech. 5 to 5 million, dude. You can do it too.
I'll take my chances the way I am.
Okay, fuck you, gold miners. What are you doing? Gold is
Yeah,
bouncing a little
I
bit.
like to go long on JNUG, but gold has got me confused right now.
This would be technically JNUG's third day run.
We should have played that oil pop.
I should have shorted
Coming
oil
back
when I-
in.
That's what I was watching after Lab D. I was watching oil drop.
I think
I'd like to start buying UWT at some point.
Ooh, this is not good for me. The webinar had not started. What are you talking about, dude? I just don't want this to gap down on me here, guys. I don't want this to fill the gap on me. That's the only thing I'm concerned about. But I don't see gold falling. That's the only thing. I don't see gold falling.
It's struggling though where it is, but it's holding.
I think the dollar is better reverse here. The dollar popped on the housing data. And again, that housing data wasn't like uber bullish.
Dollar's been holding 97 though. From the bottom. All right, I'm long JNUG now too. Let's see.
Who's this earn money? What do you mean by the webinar? What are you talking about, dude? Pop in XBI. Here comes my short again. You guys dare me to buy short? Dare me to short bios?
You're a glutton. Glutton for punishment.
Ooh, dollar might crack
Double
here.
dog dare me? I'm just watching right now.
Dollar's at 97.
I just need a little bit more.
Come on, 96. Let's go.
UJ's still holding in there though, pretty flat.
Yeah, I'm short UJ now too.
See if I can get Lab D out here.
How many trades you got open?
Just two.
No, Jerry.
2, I'm short UJ, long
Okay.
JNUG.
I was like, Jesus. And then you said dollar, and I was like, dude, how do people trade more than 3 at a time?
653.
I can't do more than 2.
I'm entering 653 here. However, My position is way smaller than last time.
Scared money don't make money,
I
bro.
don't trust this shit. I don't trust this. I literally halved my position here.
Come on,
could-
Tim
Yeah.
Sykes. Come on.
Did you already sell your JNUG? Because you could get out even right now if you wanted.
No, that's still there. Oh shit, I need to update my JNUG on the screen. I do have a JNUG trade here. My JNUG stay the way it is.
Ooh, look that 5 minute for you. That would come down a little lower. I think you might be right on that. Play today.
Come on, gold. Yeah.
AMD. Was AMD up again today? That shit is cold. Sure.
And natural gas is all over the fucking place.
Shorting AMD. Believe in that.
Yeah, I just got stopped out even on my UJ short.
XBI is looking like it wants to touch that 79.25.
I'll be right back, guys. I got stops in 1%. A little bit over 1%. Be right back.
Ooh. Go. Stop hunting, man.
Yeah, I didn't trust pops right now, so I put a hard stop at my entry price on my UJ short.
Gotcha.
If I can get a little pop here, I'll get back in.
Yeah, it looks like IWM wants to pop here.
I need gold to break this resistance, so UJ's had a resistance at about 111.32.
Yeah, dollar's still hovering.
Yeah, it doesn't want to give up 97.
It will. S&P is flat. They're starting to come back, dude. Come on, Andy. Just fall down.
So much JNUG for 15 cents too. I don't trust that either now.
Yeah, gold just broke down below that 1257.23, and it printed a candle below it. I see gold fall into support, or at least a hard support later today. Should have held JADST in the morning.
It's always shoulda, woulda, coulda, right, brother?
Well, I mean, I made like 34 cents or 54 cents on it.
That's not bad.
Yeah, well, I mean, it was quick, less than like 4 or 5 minutes. That's the thing, man. If you play like JDST, play the opposite and play for the first 5 minutes on like JNUG and JDST. I've always made okay money doing it.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of the XBI daily chart?
Yeah, I
I'm
follow
not
the,
looking at it.
yeah, I follow the IBB, but yeah. Trying not to look at that chart either. To be honest, on the daily chart, overextended. That's all I can say. Um, looks like it just wants to go up again, man. Be
That's
honest.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, there's a massive ramp up right now.
Yeah. I mean, look at that wick on the hourly candle also. I think they're going to try and push that up and then form a hammer on it on the hourly. And then they got, what, like 12 minutes?
Yeah, I think maybe that 79.50 area could be a good area to start a short. It should chop around there, I'm thinking.
I just can't believe that's staying up.
Yeah, that's exactly that was why I wanted to see what you thought. I was thinking the same thing.
Dollar just broke. I'm short UJ again.
Yep.
I'm noticing SPY and XBI are just hand in hand today.
Yeah. Be pretty close. What holds up the markets nowadays? Still
Fucking dollar and gold, that red candles. That's weird.
killed on this AMD short spot.
All right, looks like nothing happened since I left.
No, it all happened.
I was thinking XBI might hit 79.50, then start chopping.
This is a 79.25 level, which I was really angry at. If we break up here, then I'm gonna definitely toss this because they can squeeze the 79.60. Squeeze the shorts. This is why I didn't buy that many shares because I knew that they would do something like shady like this since the first hour is over. The dollar's coming down, which is great for my JNUG trade. So what might happen is I might just keep my JNUG trade, and I might throw away my biotech trade. JNUG bouncing. Keys are bouncing.
Dollar and gold are going down at the same time, though. I hate that shit.
Yeah, I think dollars will keep going down. I don't think dollars' new low of the day is going to be here. That's why
Yeah,
I'm
but
holding
what's up with
JNUG
gold?
firm.
Slow. Doesn't understand.
Yeah, there's a green candle I was looking for.
All green. How's the VIX red? It's going up here.
Can we collapse now? Except for gold.
I wouldn't say that. You just scared up a big red candle.
Yeah, that might be how it is. All right, AMD, double top out here.
Generally, the weaker oil will make the dollar weaker. Should have made gold pop a little bit on that oil.
I don't like how biotech is going out right now.
Come on, gold, you fickle bitch.
I don't like biotech anymore.
I hate fucking biotech.
Gold is popping though. This is good.
I actually don't hate biotech. I hate these. I don't like when these 3 times don't react properly. It just pisses me off. You get a 1% move in the main index and the same 1% move in the fucking 3 times.
Testing.
What's up?
It works.
Yo, biotech's just a big head and shoulders on this right here.
This is where I think XBI is going to start chopping.
Oh, we got another young guy I got to compete with in here.
Dude, that guy's 40.
Oh shit. Welcome.
I'm kidding. I have no idea how old that dude is.
What are you talking about?
I don't know, that new guy. Carnage.
Oh.
40-year-old named Cartage.
This is why I have my position here, because this shit was scaring my balls off. That's why I went half position here with
What do you think of this head and shoulders?
it's nice. It's nice. I'm looking for
nice.
it to come back to even so I can close this trade out. I'm looking for it to test the support again at 79.25. I wish I got a little better entry for J Nugget though. Well, I can't complain. I still want both of these fuckers sliding on me. So next week we have to look for oil. Watch oil next week. That's gonna be critical. Because we hit those like multi-month lows.
Ah, fuck you, gold.
You would have been spot on with that lab U entry that you were talking about, E.
I know, right? Haha,
Like
that was
literally spot on.
that's spot on, right? That's why I was like, oh, maybe I should buy some Labu now. That's why I was looking at JNUG at the time. I just didn't pass my head that I should have probably longed that because I knew I wanted to short up at a higher price. I got a little flustered on that, on the long. I think the long there was very good though. The long right here is 78.20, and now I'm getting fucked by this position down, 150 here, and then my JNUG position I'm only up, 50 bucks. I gotta see what I need to do here.
What do you see as support for gold?
Right here. The price is at right now. The lows of the day. I'm more inclined to say I would like my I like my, even though JNUG is still higher here, I still like my JNUG more than I like my bio right now. E-Trade's, that's why I use TradingView, Mammon. But I pay for it too, so. I was gonna have my girlfriend come on the mic and pretend it's me, but she's too embarrassed because she said bottleneck yesterday about biotech. She said bottletech instead of biotech, so she doesn't want to go in here, so I'm gonna embarrass her even more by talking to her right in front of her face.
Long gold miners to the top.
Lies.
You heard it there, guys.
Hell yeah. Also, I think gold could fall a little bit more here. I think it might go and retest its
50.
previous top.
Hey, you shut your mouth.
Yeah. All right.
Like 55 area.
XBI's right shoulder might have got slapped down.
It's looking good. Hold on 1 minute. Bring it down another hair. Oh, dirty dog.
$19.58. So my two trades are not balancing each other out. Almost up almost up 900, or up over 800 right now.
Dude, don't let your girlfriend hear that, dude.
She's already left.
And
She's
she's
gone.
gonna take all the money. Hey babe, I need new shoes.
$69, 61. Oh, I've been ignoring Discord. Sorry, guys. What's happening with the dollar? Dollar's new low. Dollar new low of day. Dollar's jumping off a bridge. Q's popping, even with dollar going down. I think we should see the momentum here in equity stop with dollar falling down. Again, it's been recent that the dollar. I think the dollar equity thing. It's a real deal. You see everything just pause right here with the dollar falling down. The DXY on the right here printing a new daily low at 97.25. J now going up on a Friday. The short's gonna close. This is Friday. I don't know.
Hey Jerry, you still in JNUG or did you close it out?
No, I'm still in it.
Nice. Shit.
I closed out the first one for 13 cents, and then I bought back in that and also reshorted UJ again. Duplicate trades.
Oh,
Oh,
big
yeah,
pop
dude.
here in JNUG. Big pop in JNUG.
Oil's grabbing a pop here too. 5 minutes. Just jumped 10 cents. 11 cents.
I'm almost at 1K. Yo, if I hit 1K today, I'm done. I'm just gonna say that, guys. So I'm almost there. I'm $100 away. Even with this losing trade here with the Lab D short, thank God it's smaller trade here. It's not dragging me down that much.
Yeah, Qs aren't giving a fuck, dude. they're running.
I would think gold would pop better with this drop in the dollar, but it's been very resistive.
Dollar looks like shit. That's all I gotta say. Dollar looks like shit. Dollar already made a head and shoulders there. Do you guys see the head and shoulders in dollar?
It's like they're selling every gold pop.
Dude, I really think gold wants to come down to 1255, no matter what. Retest it, then push back up. That's on contract. Eyes pushing.
Yeah, SPY's just flying now, but XBI's looking really toppy around 79.50.
Come on, XBI. You don't belong up
Qs are
there. Come back
pushing.
down. Oil pop. Yep. All 43.
Yeah, Q's just got a 5-minute candle with 20 cents on it.
You're a wizard. Earn money. You're a wizard.
I'll be a wizard.
We're wizards in here. We're warlocks. Oh wait, what was it? I want to be a warlock, not a wizard, right? Yeah, I want to be a warlock. I don't want to be a fucking wizard.
No, you wanted to be a witch. And then
Oh yeah, I want to be a witch. Yeah, I want to be a witch.
Like, what are you talking about? You got to be a warlock.
Nah, bro, I'm a witch.
I mean, unless you're a girl.
That's my disguise. They think I'm a girl. It's like Mr. Bailey, tricking everyone to thinking it's a girl online, and bam, it's actually a guy. Or Frank pretending to be a guy online, a 58-year-old man, really actually a 25-year-old chick. That's right. Frank Mayo is a chick, I found out.
Sure.
It's one of those reverse things, you know? The girls pretend to be guys, guys pretend to be girls.
Drives a diesel truck on the interstate.
Ooh, yeah, I can see it.
Wallet with the chain.
Ooh, Lab D looking fucking tempting.
Dollar new lows, 97.23.
God, I need to stay away from that Lab D. Stay away. Click out of it. I'm out of it.
$650 coming back. You're a wizard. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, Golden UJ, pay attention to the dollar. Quit doing your own thing.
Come on, go. Come on, go. Come on, go back to 12.50. $2 up from here. Where's R. Davian here? Fixing
He's
the leak.
not in here.
Nah,
He's fixing his roof again.
he's fixing his roof. Taking care of the dude. 2 sets of twins. Imagine that, bro. 2
Ouch.
sets of twins.
$8 pooping. Another new low. Where do you have your support on dollar?
$97.10. $97.11. So
Okay.
0.10 down from here. 0.12.
Yeah. Cool story,
Ooh.
bro.
Yeah, I'm flying to Denver Sunday night, and then I'm gonna go apartment hunting.
And buy a Bugatti.
I'm not that rich.
So you're gonna get a marijuana pounds.
Yeah, I'm gonna start. Yeah, I did, Sam. I'm gonna make sure I use as much of that relocation money as I can, just for fun. Yo, someone set up a shell company because they won't give me a one lump sum, which is bullshit. They need to give me, usually the relocation bonus is like a lump sum. They give you like $5,000. They're just giving me I had to do this shit without they had to do receipts and stuff. It's annoying.
I would have just thrown it all in the market, man.
Yeah, it's like give me $5,000. That's one call option on GXJ. I'll fucking put that shit on call options.
Just go to the casino,
like-
all on black, and one number.
Thank you,
One
Skyper.
number in black.
Thank you, Sam. Recommend me a place, Skyper, where I should live. I'm thinking about downtown Denver. Ooh, scheming, Mike or Mick. I'm gonna do what you do.
What are you talking about?
To the YouTube chat. I'm not exclusive, bro. I believe in polygamy between Discord and YouTube. Something.
Dude, every time I see this bin NGU, I always think of Bill Nye.
Bill
Every
Nugent.
time. Yeah. Bill Nye the Science Guy. That's literally what I think of every time. Can't pronounce. Holy shit, Spy.
Spy coming down.
No. Looks like almost a flag.
Come on, Mr. Market. I want to buy equities for cheap. I don't want to buy equities this much, especially after I sold this shit.
Yeah, I'm almost gonna cave in and just start buying some shit that's at the fucking top. Seems to be making everyone
Bill
money.
Nye, the science guy. Bill.
Yep, SPY's gonna push up here. It looks.
Okay, XBI is chilling like below support for me, so I'm looking to take gains 78.63 again here for 78.63 is my target here for what's his face? X Lab D. I think that's around 66.60 maybe. Not too sure. Nugent's a Vietnamese last name, right? The only thing is, every Nugent I knew was a black person, or not black person, was a white person, which is weird. But Nugent,
Ted Nugent.
right? Isn't Nugent like Vietnamese? Or maybe it's just French or something? It has to be French then, because the French took over the Philippines, right? It's
It's
Vietnamese.
South Korean.
I think it's South Korean.
I don't know. Yelling out random areas over there. He's from Mongolia.
Oh, Win. Okay, Nugent. Oh fuck! I don't know how to pronounce it. I butcher names. I suck. It took me forever to learn Bilal's name. Keep on calling it Bilal, or what I used to call him.
Who?
Bilal. That one dude. I used to call him. No, we're just talking about name pronunciations here. Okay, we're waiting. So far, my Lab D is just slightly not in the money right now. I'm in the money here for JNUG, but I'm not sure if gold can only get higher here to 1257. I'll close here. Nugent, win. Isn't it just win, right? Win. Now that I think about it, it's win. It's how GFGD. Yeah, I think it's a French name. It makes sense, right?
Can you guys hear me?
What's up?
Oh, I pronounce it Nguyen.
When?
Nguyen with an N in the beginning.
When?
Nguyen.
Close enough. Yeah.
Yeah, SPY's pushing here.
Nugent?
SPY is catching.
Exactly.
When? Okay.
SPY's Q's both up.
If XBI touches 79.50 again, I would definitely say Lab D would be a nice opportunity.
So it's French though, right? It's French though in nature. Is it not? Because I know white people with the last name too. No? I know some weird people. They must be mixed blood. I never asked them about their parents.
Isn't everyone mixed blood at this point in time?
But this kid looks like so white. Like it's everyone white. I know two of them. They just look white. Whoa, they are white. I can't say they look white. They are white.
Oh my god. We prefer to go by Caucasian.
Also, I say faux, not pho. Is that criminal?
I say faux too.
Who's faux?
Maybe that's why I say Nugent. Whatever how I pronounced it earlier. Ah, god damn it! I don't like this little candle it's forming here. I don't like what it's doing right now. It's so close. It was so close to $1,000. Again, XBI, I want to see this lose to 79 again. Love to see it lose to 79 handle.
IWM is ripping, dude. It's up 0.5%.
Oh, Battle Break 79, Battle Break 79, Battle Break 79, Battle Break 79, XBI, Break 79. Ooh. 653, finally back to even on this fucking trade. Oh, there it goes. And it's gone. I don't think the housing's ever going to crash anymore. I'll eat my words if the housing thing crashes. I don't think housing's ever going to crash again. It's too late. Everyone that buys houses is now rich as fuck. No poor people buying houses. That's what's the difference between 2008, 2009. 2008, 2009, poor people thought they could buy homes they couldn't afford. Right now, they're just renting. Those people are just renting. I don't see any multi-home owner going out of business, especially when they already got money. All that money made from the stock market. They're like, oh, let me take my Tesla gains and put it on 3 down payments.
Oh God, just got stopped out of my AMD.
Hey, we want some Lab D.
Tesla headed to 400. That's what the bulls are pushing for.
I don't think so. I think millennials are just not buying anything. Spending on ecstasy and music festivals. And bitcoins. Can't buy a house, but I got some bitcoins. Bitcoin's keeping me warm at night. Look at all my bitcoins. Look at my paper wallet. Keeping me warm at night. You can't say that about a home. Yeah, fuck a down payment on the house when I can just pay. I can put 20 grand bitcoins or 20 grand on a down payment on the house. What do you guys think? Obviously, I'm taking bitcoins. The hashtag millennial.
VIX is down 2% today.
Have a comeback. I have faith.
What, on the VIX?
Yeah.
I do too, eventually.
That's kind of one of my only long plays right there, along with Dries.
Oh, wow.
My
Man.
3 shares.
3 shares of Dries.
You got 3 shares of Dries?
Yeah, which used to be quite a bit more than that, but that's what it is now.
Yeah, they're dwindling the hell out of that. I think it just did another reverse.
Yes, it did. And the next time, I won't have anything.
That's so brutal.
Because I did 5 to 1. And Cal said that should be illegal, because that basically just depletes anything you've put in, everything you put in. So.
Yeah. Oh.
But it is a reminder every time I look up at my screen to really be careful with the penny stocks.
Penny stocks suck.
Yeah, I mean, I've done a few, and I just go for a very, very short time now.
If you can grab Dries short, man, it's a win. But that's about it.
Oh, God.
Well, that's what people are doing and have been doing ever since it was $5.
Yep. Make millions. Oh.
Hey, we want some Lab D.
I don't want any Lab D. Get the hell out of here.
Come on, lower, Lab D. All the new low for dollar here, guys. New low for dollar. Come on, gold, do something, gold. Fucking dollar going down. Gold should be doing some backflips. But the thing
That's
is,
what
gold,
I don't get that, man. I don't get that at all. Gold should be popping.
I mean,
Broken.
it is up almost 0.5%, so I'll give it that.
It already made its $10 move, man. Use once again, pushing higher. Dude, I'm this. I just want to sell this shit sometime. Whack.
Dollar's not doing jack shit. Neither is the yen. Yen against dollar. Let me check out the euro against dollar. Again, euro against dollar is up 0.5%, and whew, euro against dollar is lifting into the heavens. Euro is back above 1.12. The pound is back at 1.27, up 0.3%. Dude, this is shit. This shit is so fucked up. How can currencies inflate or deflate 0.5% against the dollar like every other day? Just don't get it. I don't understand how currencies can fluctuate like 0.5%, because that's like trillions of dollars probably. You know, if you're comparing economies, right?
Whatever you say, man.
6 trillion a day. Yep. The only fade J Nugget's gonna fade here. Damn, I should have taken gains at 1969, was it? Oh no, that was the exact top. 1966 was I was looking at. Yeah, I think J Nug could be a good run here today. I can sit here and not be too concerned.
Pretty small channel today.
UJ, yo, I think dollar new low, dollar new low, dollar new low, dollar new low. Come on, drag down biotech. Low dollar should be dragging down biotech. This is donkulous. Gold is not moving. Gold's like, oh, I'm good. I'm good for today. But we did make that $10 move for gold. That's correct, Kyle. Essentially from the lows yesterday, 1246, 1258.
This is whack.
This is how we do it. Labdy.
The Qs are just like a magical bean that just keeps growing out of the fucking ground. Unreal. I need to get like Paul Bunyan in here and fucking start chopping that down.
That's fucked up, bro. The same environment.
Yeah. Well, sorry.
Paul Bunyan.
I'll buy Ford.
Who's the guy who? Oh, Johnny. I was gonna say Johnny Appleseed. Chopping down Johnny Appleseed's trees. Jeez, that guy, Johnny Appleseed was a real person, right? I think so, right? Yeah.
Heck, yeah. He came through the Midwest. I'm not positive about the whole story, but yeah, probably.
And Smokey the Bear was a real sheriff. A bear.
He
That was a bear.
Well, only you can prevent forest fires.
AMD on fire. One of the better calls, AMD. Actually, AMD is probably the worst call I've had out of the equities I've been calling in this room. I mean, it's the best. It's a great performer, but it's not performing as well as the other ones I have. Mainly because it fucking I took like a loss on that because I had to exit out half of my position when I bought it after the ER because it kept on sliding. Oh. Come on, J Nug. Don't be like this. Ah, reversal candle. He got me. God damn it.
Is there a biotech future?
Sure there is.
Somewhere, probably.
Oh my god, are we doing this? Fuck, I should have just took a profit at the top there. I think I'm forcing myself into too much. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 level. Really, I'm really trying to get there. And I think that's fucking me up a little bit. I want to get out of one of these trades, either Lab D or JNUG. I want to get out one of them. I just don't know which one yet. Because I see support here for Lab D here, guys. I see support here on the 5-minute. Even the 15-minute scares me a little bit. So I'm thinking about just exiting everything and taking a slight L out of these two trades. Let's see what happens.
IWM's trying to test my resistance.
This guy in chat is so confused.
Who?
Earn money. He has no idea what he's this room is about. It's like, what is a stock?
Is that what he's putting?
No, he isn't. But pretty much what he's asking. I don't know what he's talking about this webinar.
You mean you're not gonna have the webinar?
The webinar already happened for him, bro. It's already done. It's done.
But I heard you're gonna do it again.
He's just a bot running a confusion algorithm.
Oh no, it's not black. It's white, dude. It's white. It's actually yellow.
I'm about to take this L or this flat trade on JNUG. I don't like how dollar is going down. That means if the dollar comes up now, it's gonna drag that shit down with it. Gold. The equities are coming down a little bit, so I feel a little better about my XBI trade than my JNUG, especially with this bouncing here. Dollar's bouncing up. That's why. Fuck. 1948. What'd I do? What'd I do here? I gotta make decisions. I hate making decisions. I hate it.
Put
But
your
you
finger
got
on the trigger finger, man.
I gotta make decisions. $25K, the chart guy. 25K, 25K. No, that was terrible. That was bad.
That was weak.
That was weak.
Had better.
Weak sauce.
25 years old, $25,000, 25K trading.
That was better.
Hey guys, my name is 25K Trading. I'm E here. I made out of using $25,000 in 2015. I made that shit to go to $25 million. And all I do is snort cocaine and fuck hookers all day. And if you want this lifestyle, you want to drive my Bugatti all night. You want to drive my Bugatti to 7-Eleven. You know what? You gotta be like me. To be like me, you gotta pay me $1,000. If you don't pay me $1,000, I'll fuck your wife. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna fuck your wife.
Damn, dude.
If you don't want to get your wife fucked, give me $1,000. PayPal right now.
What about the dudes who do like to watch their wife get fucked?
Oh, that's a win-win scenario for everyone. Everyone wins in that case. In that case, I'll give you a 50% discount. We're good.
Oh my god.
You forgot to mention your cousin Tim Sykes.
He that shall not be named.
No, who's the guy that owns the Mavericks? Fucking name?
Cuban.
Yeah, Mark Cuban. One trade, $1 million. You should
Oh, Rob just
try and
burned me.
sell this.
Rob,
Try and sell
I
this.
guess you weren't in the room that one day when I just talked about my penis for 30 minutes. So Rob wasn't there. He doesn't know. So we'll just let him carry on with that opinion.
Dude, you should really ask Mark Cuban if you could sell this on Shark Tank.
Low energy Rod Bradley here, guys. Low energy. Hands up for Rod Bradley. Low energy.
Why are you calling him low energy?
Here's what a Forex Vert said. Dude, what is this earned money guy doing? He's talking about seminars, fucking posting smiley face with the sunglass shades. What is this dude?
These smiley faces are getting me though.
Oh, gold's popping a little bit from support. Stop fucking scaring me. Gold, dollars going down. Gold should theoretically go up because again, dollar's a little more or less controlled than gold. Obviously, dollar's sinking. So why isn't gold going up? Maybe because gold is already up almost 0.5%. So let's find out. Let's see whether or not we get a little more bulls here, seeing the dollar go down. Then maybe maybe we should buy some gold here. So I also want to check out silver. Silver on the futures contract up 1%, $16.68. So we're just looking at the Qs right now. Just to take a quick overview here. SPY is up 0.17%, Qs 0.13%, IWM 0.55%. So it looks like small caps, NASDAQ, and SP 500 all positive, and the Dow Jones is just above positive here. It's just a little bit above positive here. And now I'm back in the money for most of my trades here. So I'm just looking for exit here because 855 currently my PL. Trying to get to 1,000 today. I think Lab D can squeeze me at least like 100. I think I can squeeze 100 out of Lab D even with my smaller position. I'm looking for my JNUG to be my next biggest runner. Out of that big trade this morning, I'm looking for JNUG to be the second biggest trade of the day. Mark Cuban, I banged his wife.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just waiting now. Waiting.
We're gonna start chopping. 11. Chop City now.
Dude, I feel like nothing's gonna happen. It's Friday. It's Friday, right? Yeah, it's Friday. Fuck, it's Friday. Yeah. Nothing might happen. Honestly, nothing might not happen for the rest of the day. We might chop now for a couple weeks. Exactly what Kyle said. Nothing's gonna happen.
We gonna go chopping.
Bullard speaks to 9 men.
And
I'm still waiting for the one guy to type in chat. You're so obscene. Can you like tone down on the language? I'm still waiting for the one guy
that's
to
where you
pop out
type
today. Usually you
fuck
get one
off.
a week. Hey, can you tone down on the language? There's a bunch of kids in here.
You got kids in here that have this much money to trade with? Smart kid. Speaking of kids, where's
Come on.
that
No one in this room has morals because we're all in this room to make money. So none of you guys have morals. Let's be honest.
True fact.
We're
who's
light on
like
the
the
morals.
18-year-old kid that's in here?
Mr. YOLO?
Yeah, where's he at?
I don't know.
Oh,
Carnage, how old are you? I bet you're like 20, 23.
no, hold on. 20, 24.
24?
No, I'm going 21. 21.
I'm 28.
You're 28? Ooh,
Damn.
that's far.
Damn.
Wait, you're F-Bomb's age. I think F-Bomb is also 28.
I feel like XBI is about to spike either down or up.
I think it's gonna retest that low. I
Uh-oh.
hope it retests that low. We have on the hourly have a high spin doji. There's no hammer here. There's no support. And on the hourly, thus far in 22 minutes, we have not breached that 2079. Was it the high 79.54? That's why I'm thinking we go back down at least to 78.63. We kind of pin the price in here in this opening minute. So I'm looking for another breakdown here. But I don't think the breakdown is going to be as severe as the first breakdown.
Imagine you've got 30 days you can't trade stocks and you got to pick one stock to put your money in while you're gone. What do you choose?
Ford.
Nah. Might as well just put in QQQ. Oh, dude, just short the VIX. Wait for the next time you pop the VIX up. Do exactly what you were doing. Just make sure it's not a huge spike in the VIX. Short the VIX. Or you can put in oil. I don't know. I don't know about oil, actually. I don't know.
Old just at the bottom of the channel. A little bit more risky. But...
I mean, you can always put in Apple. Put the whole thing in
No.
Apple. I mean, it won't move that fast up and down, but if it does move down, it won't move down that fast. Gold's popping. Dollar must be going down here. Gold's popping. Dollar's making its move back down to the lows of the day. Gold's popping a buck here. I'm looking for 1256.50, 1257-ish. Another dollar or so up from here.
Yeah, I would just put in an index.
It depends all on your outlook as well. If you think the market is going to be here in 30 days, which it will, dude, the market might honestly could trade sideways for the next 30 days. Like this NASDAQ thing that's going up like this, 1%, then down 1%, up 1%, down 1%. And it could honestly happen for the rest of the year if it wanted to. Until they wait for another piece of data to push it upwards. Or you can be ballsy and put it all in JNUG. Boom. That's how you become real baller.
Put it in Weight Watchers, dude.
Weight Watchers. Put it in Domino's Pizza.
I'm not kidding on Weight Watchers, man. It just keeps going up. Slow and steady.
Actually, put it in both because your investment in Domino Pizza will feed the investment into Weight Watchers.
Yeah, so they balance out.
So true.
I like that. I like that analysis. It's a pair trade right there. That's a pair trade.
That's better than the feelings indicator.
Feelings indicator goes up. That means Domino's Pizza goes up. Got the feels. Drown it out with that pizza. Drown out your emotion with pizza.
Somehow Weight Watchers is up almost 4% today.
Weight Watchers up 4% right now.
Yeah, dude, I'm not kidding. Like,
Was there an
bought
ER?
I bought some at like 31, but I don't know how it keeps going up. But I'm gonna play this out as a feelings indicator.
Yo,
Because
Weight
when we
Watchers
talked about
last
it
year was like
last-
Weight Watchers was like $16 last year, right? I'm not looking
Yeah.
at the chart. Yeah, I shorted around there.
Yeah, it was like $18. It was a good short to come down to 14, and
No,
ever since
mine
then,
was not a good short. My short was not a good short. I did not
so
make
you
money
did,
on that short.
you did short at like 18 on that pop. It must have
I
been
shorted
timing.
on the pop. Yeah, it was the Oprah Winfrey pop. It was like when she's like
Yeah.
when she bought it out, when Oprah bought out Weight Watchers. That's when I shorted and I got completely wrecked on that trade.
Yeah, dude, this thing just keeps, kind of moving up.
Wow.
I think it's
Goddamn
gonna pull back
Oprah.
here soon.
Never would I have thought I've been squeezed out of position in Weight Watchers because of Oprah.
Dude, you're supposed to get smaller on Weight Watchers, dude. You're good. You should have went for the Angus diet, dude. Isn't that the one? Forget what the other one was.
That Weight Watchers is amazing.
Any big ERs today that we should be aware of? SPY and Qs are fading from the highs. Gold is still 1256 near the high. Gold is near the highs of the day. Excuse me. Highs of the intraday. I'm finally 1 cent in the profit here for my trade here.
They really hit me with a stop loss. Ow. Dude, they went stop loss hunting, dude. That's fucking shitty. On that AMD trade, that's starting to come fucking back in.
Come on, XBI. Come on, buddy. Get on down.
So shitty.
Feel so bloated. Ah. More down. Just a little bit more. XBI coming down.
You hear one thing that was super funny is at one time Weight Watchers was at $83. Jeez. Back in like 2012.
Yeah, shit falls. It just looks. Tech is just like unbelievable at this point. Stealing all those gains. AMD's up almost 1% now. Twitter's up almost 2% again. Twitter continuing the run. Come on, Labdy. Yes, I am, Ash. Guys, and also I have this swing trade at 2012 JNUG. I have not closed it because this whole time I did believe JNUG was going to come back, and the FOMC last week was bullshit. So, that's my 2 cents. Yeah, do you guys like the webinar today? That was a great webinar, wasn't it?
Yeah, I must have
Sorry,
missed the
didn't
first
hear it.
one. Can't wait for
It
the second one.
was a real bargain in 1999 too, man. That's the good price.
How is they get upgraded or something? Did the steel companies get upgraded?
I'm not sure.
How is it
X
up
was popping
5%?
yesterday, right?
Yeah, but AKS is popping also, which is weird. I mean, it's been fucking hammered down. Looking for news.
Yeah, guys, if you guys like today's videos thus far, and you guys are new to my channel, I'm E25K Trading. This is my voice. Hit subscribe. I'm on here 9 to 5 or 9 to 4. I might be leaving this soon and doing another format as we progress, but I hope to, continue this as, a daily analysis, even if it's not streaming live here in the future. But I'll make sure I'll have my charts up, my chat up, everything during the day, and I'll have like 10 different charts, and I'll just continuously scroll through each chart. I'll have my entries and exits posted on there. Carnage. I like that. I like that. Come on, Labby. Come on. Come on there. 656, Labby.
AKS got upgraded to a buy.
All right.
Dude, it kind of sucks. This is going to end the way it's been going. You know what I mean? Why'd you have to go get a job for?
Wow, 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 wow.
No comment.
I think he's getting confused because of my video title.
The chart guy.
Insurance, exactly, is what Skyper said.
Yep, X got upgraded also.
It's called making enough money, taking your gains, walking away from the table before you get hurt. At least day trading wise, before I fucking go crazy. Dude, last month was miserable for me. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. My mind was just like stuck somewhere where I didn't want to be, and I didn't feel good doing day trading last night. I don't want to be there, so especially when I'm not making any money. I hate when I don't make any money, so I'll try to get my brain refreshed. Maybe if I get fired within 3 weeks for being too baller, I'll come back.
I'll only give you 2 weeks.
Give me 2 weeks.
I'll give it 3.5.
Whenever I quit a job, it's always been a blaze. I go like, "Go fuck yourself, I'm out." No, not really, but but more of a better tonage voice. It's usually because I find out someone that's worse than me is getting paid more than me. So I'm like, "Give me more money," and they're like, "No," and I'm like, "Well, I'm out. Your loss." I do way more work than the other person. It's not my fault. I'm not saying shit about the other person. Just increase my salary and I'll be good. Because I get paid hourly, and when we work overtime, that's like 1.5. That's a lot of money for me. Fucking $1 a minute. Cha-ching! Easy money. Almost there to my target, guys. 659. XBI falling down here, guys. I'm about to exit my XBI here for $100. Let's see what happens.
Ooh.
6.6 filled. No. 6.6 filled. I'm out. 6.6 filled. I'm out. 6.6 filled. Oops.
6.6. What are you selling?
Lab D, bro.
Oh, God. Yeah, never mind. Don't even want to know. Good luck.
I exited 105 profit. Short, nice little scalp here for me. That's all I wanted. I'm not greedy on that one.
Hmm.
I am not holding any of you guys. You guys, natural gas has fucked me twice in the last 2 trades, so I try to stay away from natural gas unless it's a report day. But I am out of this position 6.60. It's out 105 for the gain. I'm almost up to 1,000 for the day. At $1,000, I will stop trading, but I will still give my insight into what might possibly happen throughout the day. So I still have my JNUG trade, 1943 here. That's my other day trade.
Ooh. Vix is looking.
the thing about bossing around, I don't like strict managing positions. I more like training people, and if anyone has questions, I answer them and stuff. I don't really like forcing people or talking to people, in that sense. But this position, again, I'm not working for a bank. I work as a consultant. I would never take a bank job. If I take a bank job, my trading career is over due to regulations. That's why if it's any job, it's consulting. Consulting pays better, to be honest. I'm never gonna be a full time employee at at one bank. I want to have that travel.
What about hedge fund?
I mean, if I'm making 2 and 20, like Bill Ackman, I don't need to. I can just put my. That's also I'm looking at my long term portfolio. I'm looking at my day trading. Day trading is nice. I'm making a lot of money from that. My long portfolio makes just as much. So like, what's the point of day trading? Making myself stressed out. I mean, it doesn't make. I gotta check on the numbers, but Mark, what's up, Mark? Or what's up, Max? I'm managing 165 people in this room right now. I actually told them about my chat room. I think that's the only reason why why they hired me. It's because they like this chat room. I told them to log on, say what's up. Max, so it's already late in the day here. It's already been 2 hours since the market has opened. I've been trading gold miners and biotech this morning. So far, I've had 2 trades on the short on biotech, resulted in me up 831 for the day. I have 2 trades in JNUG right now, which is junior miners. One of them is up. Another one was been a swing position for a while. Looks like biotech is actually getting destroyed here. Yep, biotech is coming down here. And I just hit my $1,000 target for the day, my 1,035 profit. $664 is the current price here. I'm already out of my lab D trade, but I'm sure some of you guys are still in this trade. So I'm not too sure if you guys are still shorting or not. It's broke resistance. We might have to go back down to the lows of the day. 78.15 possibly next lows. Thank you, Barbara. I'll take that into account. Chloe, I have some money that's managed by other people because I don't have eyes everywhere. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, you can with the index funds these days, you can just manage you can go online, buy any kind of book. You can do it without the fees here, like SPY, QQQ, IWM. As long as you're diversifying with bonds and all the other good stuff, you should be good to manage your own money. Again, index funds are very stable as long as you can buy the dip, and I'm still looking for that big dip in indexes. I love index funds. Very stable. And then just have a few out there that are high gainers. Don't play any biotech. Don't play any crazy penny stocks. If you're managing your money that way, never play any penny stocks. Always go with hard. Even with the tech companies, if you want to go tech, want to go low growth, go with Tesla because obviously it's not falling down, right? Just go with the popular names when it comes to tech. And think like Warren Buffett, right? Think like Warren Buffett. Don't think like Bill Ackman that you can change the company by wishing hard. Think like Bill. Or think like Warren Buffett. You get your money over the course of 10 years, not over the course of a 1-year lawsuit. By the way, Bill Ackman's documentary is on Netflix if you guys want to watch that. His Herbalife Netflix. JNUG possibly breaking out here. JNUG possibly breaking out. 1967. Marcos, R. Davian here. He's another trader in my chat room. He trades Russell a lot. Russell 2000 a lot. So he's not in the room today, but he's a good source of knowledge.
Davian?
Yep. He trades Russell.
He used to. He's trading NQ now.
I thought he trades IWM and NQ.
He doesn't trade IWM because broker wouldn't allow him to trade minis or something.
Oh no, that he's not trading minis, but I think he's still trading IWM itself. The ETF. But I don't think he's doing as frequently as possible because of the e-minis. I'm just giving an example, NB. I'm giving an example. Example. Dude, this guy's comedic relief. Earn money.
Yeah.
Where would our day be without this dude? Be like, oh, like the market's going up. We're up 5%. It's going up. The MACD's crossing. We have a red candle.
You got 2 red candles.
What if I was all professional shit and I had to talk like a normal person? This channel would be dead. No one would be listening.
No. Now people would be giving you $1,000 per day.
Yeah, now they're like, oh, this guy's so mature. He knows what he's talking about without cracking these jokes. I'm definitely giving my money to this guy. So we're at 1965 here. I'm waiting for. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take profit 1960. I'm not waiting for this bullfight to break out. Oh, just like when I typed it in, dropped 3 cents. Fuck you.
Dollars holding that support.
Yeah, I look at dollar right now, and I'm gonna exit here 1962, because I see dollar holding that support. I see dollar, being possibly bouncing up. So I'm exit here 1962. JNUG. Oh, give me a better exit 1963. I see 1964 exit. Eat my bid. Eat my bid. Eat my bid. Oh, fuck it. Let's go back to 1963. Oh, there it goes, 1961. All right, 1962. Execute out. Out of JNUG, guys. Out of JNUG. I'm out. 1962. Gain of 228. I'm at 1,059. Yes, sir.
How to make $1,000 in 2 hours? There, man.
How to
Video
make
title.
$1,000 with 25,000. Ah, la, la, la.
Oh shit! I might call it a day, dude. I don't see anything. This is chopping, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty bored myself, man. I've been hoping UJ would just take one click down out of low 111s, but man, it's just doing nothing.
If it wasn't raining today, I would have probably not even got on.
Oh, it's raining
I
over here
wish it
too.
was raining.
Well, duh. We live in states right next to each other. Come on, man.
Dude,
it's bound
wait,
to
are you?
happen if it's going through Indiana.
Yeah. Wait, I thought you lived in like Alaska. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Like, yeah, dude. I'm from Alaska. I'm a salmon fisherman, and I do crab on the weekends. Dude, it would be cool to live in Alaska, though. I would definitely do it. Be better than Hawaii, in my opinion.
You're crazy.
Hey, I agree, man. Alaska looks pretty good.
Yeah, I know. They pay you. And, like, say if you have, like, a job skill that not a lot of people have up there, you're guaranteed to make just killer money because you can jack up the prices.
I hate cold weather, man. No amount of money's worth it. I hate cold weather.
Oh, I love cold weather. I'd rather be cold. Dude, you can drive a snowmobile through a McDonald's drive-thru. Think about that, man. Boom.
Yeah, think about some Hawaiian chick sitting on your face. There you go.
Think about that Alaskan. Dude,
Yeah, you
that's
want
like fish.
Get one of those Eskimos with the ground down teeth.
Hey, dude, Eskimo pussy's mighty cold. Cool, man.
Ew.
I'm Eskimo brothers with a few celebrities. I don't want to say their names. If you guys know what that is. It's by proxy.
Nice.
By proxy. Lovely guys, says Chloe. I'm sorry, this is male dominated. 95% of the people in here are males, so it's a locker room banter. I'm pretty sure they talk worse on Wall Street.
I feel like my chat's not updating.
So I apologize to all the ladies out there.
Shouldn't be any apologies necessary. I thought everybody in the world wanted everything equal.
So true.
I hate that about, women. They bitch and whine about wanting everything equal, and as soon as you bring it up, everything's equal, then they start bitching and whining about that too. You either want it or you don't.
I don't know. I'm just from a female perspective. I wouldn't want a big hairy dude sitting on my face though. just from a female perspective.
Teabag action.
Oh man. Dude, my dog keeps fucking crop dusting me. This is shitty. Ooh.
I don't need a scammer. Scammer. I don't need a scanner to trade. I essentially just buy. I have a strategy here, and I buy on the dips and I sell the rips. Contrarian trader. That's it. I'm a contrarian trader. The price comes down to my targets. I buy it and it bounces. Earn money. I told you that already. Email me. I'll give you my PayPal. You send me fucking $700. I'll tell you how you can make $1,000 daily. Fuck it. I'll tell you how to make $5 million daily if you really want to do it that way.
You can donate right through the YouTube chat right there.
Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah. That's when he first set it up. I gave him a couple of bucks just to be nice.
No. Hey, you take Bitcoin, right?
I take Bitcoin. So guys, I'm out of my positions. I'm waxing off. Up $1,000 for the day. I'm gonna chill here. I might actually get some food. I'm a little hungry. I got a little bit of munchies going on. But yeah, if you guys really intend on donate, you guys can hit me up. Buy me a drink. It's right there below the chat. It's next to smiley faces. Litecoin. I haven't been following Litecoin recently. Oh, this shit looks like it wants to go up again. I think Litecoin, it's either gonna go up higher to the 60s probably, or I think there's a pullback in store to 32s, 30s, mid 30s looks like it. I mean, there's just not enough data to chart these things a lot, so you gotta look at the most basic patterns. I see a continuation pattern here, so I think what's gonna happen is Litecoin's gonna do one of these. So we got continuation pattern. What I think is gonna happen is since Bitcoin, Ethereum is not doing that well, I think it's gonna do one of these, like something like that. Now I don't know. So I think we double top. Oh, my dog is like burping in her sleep. She's like, and she's like running around too. But anyways, I think it's gonna double top around this 50 and just go back to 30s. Ooh, thank you, Chloe. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Always tip the dealer. I usually, when I play blackjack, even though I'm losing, I tip the dealer. I'm not saying that you guys have to, but I don't know why. I feel like whenever the dealer makes me money, I'm not forcing you guys to. I'm just saying. Thank you for that, or not Bailey, Chloe. I know Bailey donated to me before too, right? I think Bailey, you have too, or was it the other chick? Not too sure. But thank you very much, Chloe.
Although, do realize the casino is running at positive expectancy in most of their games, so the dealers are getting paid.
Yeah, I don't like how I don't like how casinos do split tips. So like they split the tip. They split the tip between everyone. When I tip a dealer, it's because they're not, they're nice and interacting and stuff like that. It's good conversation,
Actually, I'm much more likely to not leave a tip at all if I think that the tip is socialized among all the workers.
Yeah. But again, thank you very much.
And I mean, I hate to say it, I've even said as much a few times at some businesses, hoping that maybe they'll realize that the tip funds are not coming in as strong because there are people like me, but whatever.
On Wix? Interactive brokers, Max, go for it if you got in the country. I don't know. Again, when you guys are asking for brokers and this stuff, please say your country first, because we are restricted by U.S. laws in the United States by Dodd-Frank. So we're really big on prudes here on the trading side in the USA. So if you're outside the USA, you got better options, but they may be a little more expensive. But if you're in the U.S., again, Max, I'm just going off your last name. Yeah, I know it's being prejudiced, or whatever, discriminating. But I'm assuming that you're USA. Oh, IB is good because depends on Max. IB has great. If you want to be a shorter, go with IB. However, the fees for IB will be expensive. For example, LabD buying 3,000 shares on LabD at $6 per share. I'm sorry, at $6 per share on LabD using IB is probably going to be like a $15 trade, and it's going to be a $30 round trade. So if you're using flat fees like Schwab, that's only $10 for me. That's the same thing with the IB. The price is really high. However, the positives with IB is that when you're trying to short a stock, they have more shares available for you to short. They have more shares. They're not, they have shares to borrow. And also you can do like a lot more things on features, etc. It's like an all-in-one on IB. But IB is just a little bit more expensive on me, but I've heard great stories about it. I have never used it though.
There's also TD Ameritrade.
TD Ameritrade, TOS. A lot of people here use TOS. I think that's $5 per trade. A lot of people like that. There's Tasty Trade as well. Oh, thank you very much, Kyle. I appreciate it. Oh, thank you, Kyle.
Dude, I didn't know you could donate that way, man.
I appreciate that, man.
I would have done it a long time ago. Didn't have a clue. Ugh. All right, now I'm out of here.
All right, man.
Have a good
See
day,
you, Kyle.
guys. Yep, later.
You go scissors. Sounds good.
Yeah, definitely take that money to Sizzler.
I'm taking that scissors. I'm buying I'm buying like a. I don't even know. I've never been to Scissors before. I keep on saying that. It's because it's part of White Men Can't Jump.
Yeah, dude.
God, Nicolay, so demanding. I got you, though, bro. Wix? What the fuck is this? The website Wix? Again, thank you, Kyle, before you leave, and thank you, Chloe.
Yep, not a problem, man. All right, later, guys.
See ya. Give me an example. For example, Schwab for me is $5 per trade. Flat, like nothing, like all inclusive. I think options are $9 per trade. Let's see what I can do for you. Look at that. Look how perfect these clones are. My clone says clone session 2 ends right here. Look where clone session 2 ended. I kid you not, right there. Perfect. Only need to do two. Only have to do one reference clone and one duplicate clone.
Wait, is this your last day? Forex Vert asked.
No, man. It's not my last. Why are you guys saying this is my last day? I'll be back on Monday. I'll just be in Denver. Oh, thank you, Ron. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. So we have a bullish pennant. Yo, let me do this for Wix real quick. Oh, do you guys see JNUG going up? I see JNUG going up right now, guys. JNUG going up. So here, Nikolay, real quick for you. JNUG near highs of day. Well, I'll go back to XBI real quick, guys. I'll go back to XBI. So I know we've been trading this recently, so I know a lot of guys. I don't know what your trades are, but we're approaching that lows of the day, guys. We're approaching that lows of the day. I'm gonna delete this off the screen. I'm gonna delete this off the screen. This is my XBI chart.
Picking gold, finally a little breakout.
Guys, gold is breaking out. Yep. Oh, I should have had that JNUG for whatever. I'm satisfied.
Yeah, same here.
So here's my XBI. So we're near the lows against one of the day. A higher low. It looks like a higher low. My print lower high, higher low. Long-term trend, Jason Lewis. So if it's the first time on your channel, I've been here trying to trade gold long miners for the last few months, and essentially I built up a $10,000 profit trade. I didn't take profit on that in FOMC, and I lost 10 grand. Unrealized though. I didn't really lose any money. Just unrealized profit. So I'm still expecting gold to go up. It's just that there's a huge trend line in 2011, which is keeping gold down, and until we break that, we won't go up. So I'm looking for gold to actually, keep going up. We need to see more bullish movement from gold. More bullish movement for gold. But I still have my sights onto 1340 this year. I think gold is going to hit 1340 this year. I don't know how it's going to do it, but I totally see dollar coming down. I see dollar coming way down. I think because UJ has a lot more downwards movement. Where's
That'd be
oil
nice,
going?
man. I'm tired of looking at these two ticks rolling back and forth. Ooh, 3 bonus. Come on, gold, push a little bit more.
So what is oil going to do here? So I think Cizo, I forgot how to pronounce your name, bro. But I think last time we talked, you commented on my video. I said 42. So we actually hit 42 the other day. I'm not sure where you're shorting from, but maybe take profit and just watch the price. Because I think there might again, it's the weekend. You never know what OPEC is going to do over the weekend. They might open up their fat old mouth. They might open up their fat old mouth and say something over the weekend to make pop up oil. So since I know you were shorting with me when I call that short. So I think you still held on to your short while I closed mine. But if you have good money here, might as well just take it, have a good weekend. Don't have your mind on oil for now. Just because like OPEC literally can say one thing about, because we're at $43. It's not like we're at $47. A little bit something could cause a massive short squeeze to the upside for oil. But if you want to go crazy and hold that short. Down below 42, 41.85, but it hit 42 already for me. Yep. So XBI higher, lower. Remember I said just mentioned maybe a few minutes ago. Looks like to me it's a lower high or lower higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high. Nikolai, did you get what I said about WIX?